580 ain't doing so good. We got massive hydraulic leaks on it. We got problems on the 580. We got problems. There's oil there. Where it's parked over here, look at that huge puddle. This side looks pretty dry. Just that side. All that. Like an oil. Think that's bad. You should see the play in the bucket. Watch this. You ready? Are you ready? It's not really working because the bucket's on the ground, but I'll try on the back bucket. Watch this. You ready? You ready? Not working. Usually there's tons and tons of play. But alright, well, I need to bring 580 in the N.R.T. Have it get all seals done. So, yeah.